So this is the room I'm in. I'm one of the suites. I got upgraded. I'm loving it. So this is the suite I'm in. 1477. It's gonna take forever. I shouldn't have closed the door. KK. So this is right here. I might as well just there's gonna be mad loud. Could I turn that down, please? This is the mirror. This is my. I could change my clothes, but I don't think I'm going to. You change it on your dad? Change it on. This is right over here. Put on the TV, please. You know, so it's so loud, the TV. This is here. TV area. Because it's loud. I don't want to be copyrighted. So this stuff, look at the view, guys. I don't really care about views, but they upgraded me for a view. And I'm like, why not? Look, also over here, we just came in. So it covers too much. So the couch, everything like over here, our stuff. Look at the, it's fine now, you can keep it at this point. Right here, look at that. This is a little sitting area. I'm gonna do another one for a TikTok. I knew it was gonna have a kitchen space. That is up there. Some bowls and stuff grater. And a toaster, cups and what do you call it? Look, yeah. You get a full roll. You get this to wash your little stuff with. You want to use dishwashing soap. That. Why remind me of Listerine? I'm gonna take that every day. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. As they replace, I'm gonna take it back and take it. Like, I don't care if they think I can't. You can't use that much. I am. That's what I do. But this is cute. It doesn't detach, but it's still cute. These are the things that they have. Katanya, turn that down. It's too loud, baby. So, you get the picture. It's nice, like, real nice. Look at this. Okay. Cook a little something, something. A little something. You could warm up stuff and what's nice. There's nothing down here. You know what this is. Stuff I never grew up with, but they have it. Okay. Or if I want, ooh, more tissue. That's gonna hold me too. Yes, why not? I cleaned some of these things down already. It's working, it's working. See, size of my fridge at my house. Oh, this still look a little bit bigger. I'll be getting some of my stuff. I'm like, it looks bigger and it's really not. You know, microwave. Nothing's really up there. Okay, put me on microwave. That's cute. Stuff right here, forks and stuff. I feel like this don't be my best tour because it's the best room I've ever been in. Let's lie. The other one I was technically probably the one I ever lived in. I've been to my hotel before and it was a better. It had 2 levels. It was also the HYATT. If I remember, it was the Hilton. It's not with an H. I was like 12 or 13. But it was the international. I was with the accountant for the international youth group. My Church of God church I used to go to. Look at that. Oh, crap. And they give the people who are in the who has positions good rooms. So they had 2 levels on it. I almost slept overnight. It was not only me. It's a couple of us there. Church people, women, men. But I was like, go home, go to your hotel, da, da, da. So I was like, whatever. I was really young. I was in Atlanta. Look at it, guys. Look at that. I feel like I'm just going, not really looking at the camera. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just kind of moving up and down. But look at this. I wish I had this in my house. I wish my house was this big. Like, this is bigger than my whole apartment, guys. Like, this is bigger than my apartment. Like, this bed is, this says it's king size. I look like a queen to me. It don't look like king size. But I could be totally wrong. I don't see how much king size beds in my lifetime either, so. They got the drawers over there. On that. But yeah, that's basically the room. And another TV. Yes, I wiped down the remotes. But yeah, look at it. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I'm the person of the day, they said, so I got a little gift card too. I'm so excited. Bye, guys.